Solve this two-step equation. It's a two-step equation because it includes two operations, multiplication shown here and subtraction shown here. Let's take this equation and plug it into this template. So we get negative 2x minus 8 equals 16. We want to get rid of this minus 8, so we'll be adding 8 to both sides of the equation. So we get negative 2x minus 8 plus 8 equals 16 plus 8. As you can see, we've added 8 to both sides of the equation. Simplifying, we get negative 2x equals 16 plus 8, 24. This expression involves multiplication, which we can undo with division. So we get negative 2x divided by negative 2 equals 24, also divided by negative 2. So as you can see, we're dividing both sides of the equation by negative 2. Simplifying, we get x is equal to negative 12.